How to use OBS to record your screen. OBS is a well-known platform used for recording screen and streaming. The interface makes it really easy to record your screen. You can download OBS from any web browser. After opening OBS, you will see an interface like this. At the bottom right corner, you will see your controls. There you will find an option called Start Recording. Click on that, and after you are done, simply click on Stop Recording. That's the basic of recording your screen. Here you will also see an option called Audio Mixer. In this section, you will see two modes, desktop audio and mic. If you want to record your screen noise, then turn on desktop audio. If you want to do a voiceover, then turn on mic. Go to settings and go to your output. From the top, select the recording section. Here you will see file path or URL. If you stop recording, then the recording will get saved in this path. You can browse this to change the location. Additionally, you will also see the video bitrate. If you increase the video bitrate, then your quality will be high. But with high quality, the size of the video will get larger. There are other settings also that you can tweak with. After you are done, simply click on OK or Cancel, then select Stop Recording. That's all for today. Thank you.